Hey, what's up, guys and gals? I wanted to just put a video up, and I'm so excited. I just hit 1,000 subscribers, and it's all because of you guys, and I wanted to say thank you. So, in honor of you guys honoring me by getting me to 1,000 subscribers, I wanted to do something for you. So I'm going to do a giveaway. I'm giving away two. Well, actually, it's more than two items, but two sets of items. I'm going to give away an Honest Amish beard combo, which is premium beard oil, beard balm, and heavy duty beard balm. And the second item I'm going to give away is an Orient Ray Raven 2. The reason I'm giving away these items are those are the two items, the two topics I focus on my channel. The two things I'm passionate about are beard products and watches, and I thought those were two ways I could honor you guys. So it's real simple to win. Before I talk about how you can enter to win, I want to give a shout out to three channels that have kind of, what's the right word, inspired me over the years. In terms of my love of wristwatches, fine timepieces, mechanical watches, I have to give a shout out to the Urban Gentry channel. It was Tristano at the Urban Gentry channel that really got me thinking about doing watch reviews, talking about watches. I know you guys look at my most recent videos, and I haven't done a whole lot of watch videos, but I want to make sure you guys know, starting now, going into the future, my upload schedule is going to be a lot stricter. I'm going to do everything I can to do one watch video, whether it's a watch review, talking about new watches, talking about old watches, and I'm going to try to do one video on beard related topics. Excuse me, beard related topics and beard products. I'm going to try to do one of each per week. So I'm going to try to put two new videos up per week. So if you watch my videos for watches, you'll have something to see. If you watch my video for beard products, you'll have something to see. Then the other two channels I want to give a shout out to are Dan C. Bearded. Dan has been a great resource for me. And Dan, I appreciate all the help you've given me. I hope I've been able to help you some too. Dan's the king of content. And I think Dan kind of sometimes looks at me as kind of the king of video quality. But content's king. So Dan's got me. Dan's got all the content you need on beards. And of course, Scuba at Official Beard Tube, the OG, the Mac Daddy of the bearded community here on YouTube. I owe a lot to Scuba, mainly just because he's entertained me for a couple of years now. And it was actually Scuba that got me started thinking about doing videos, particularly beard related videos. But enough about that. I appreciate you guys. The three channels I mentioned, check them out if you haven't seen them. If you're watching my videos, you probably know who those guys are. And I appreciate you guys for subscribing and hanging in there with me when my upload schedule over the last few months has been a bit erratic, and I appreciate it. That's why I'm doing the giveaway. So to be entered to win, all I ask is that you do two things. Number one, subscribe to my channel. I appreciate it. Number two, in the comment down below, if you're interested in winning the beard products, just put beard. If you're interested in winning the watch, the Great Orient Ray Raven 2, great mechanical watch for everyday purpose for anybody, then put watch in the comments down below. So beard or watch. So guys, I just want to take, and gals, I want to take a minute to say again, thank you. I do appreciate all of you who subscribe to my channel, who watch my videos, who have gotten me to 1,000 subscribers when I probably don't deserve to be there because I haven't uploaded as much as I should. But I promise you that in the future you're going to get a lot more content on beards and watches. So guys and gals, again, thank you. I'm doing this out of my appreciation for you guys. You guys know I try to respond to every comment, whether the video's a year old or I posted it yesterday. I love communicating with you guys both about beards and watches, whichever kind of side of my channel you're on. So thanks. And as always, I'll see you in the next one.